Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I did 3 more 3D models and they came out really good. I mean, if you look at the detail in that, it's incredible. It's a little bit fuzzy with the camera lens, but I put some round and some square and tried it up. I did this eagle. It came out great. And I did this set of flowers with leaves and it came out really good. And the reason for this video, I drew these and you're more than welcome to use them. I have posted them on my Facebook page, Corel Draw, all one word, file share. And if you just go to files, they are right there, drawing files, Doug Green, and they're saved in X3, which would be Corel 13. You can download those and use them at your discretion. Use them for what you want to. I'm going to make a second video, and also in that same realm, there are some squiggles. And in the next video, I'm going to use one of the squiggles to draw this item right here that is incredible. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.